Isifundazwe I-Kwazulu Natal yisona esibaqwaqwade emakhanda ngemphumela kamatikuletsheni abafundi abaphumelele nge-Bachelor ezifundweni zabo. Silandelwa i-Gauteng, kugcine i-Eastern Cape. Lokhu-ke kumenyezelwe nguNgqongqoshe wezemfundo Siviwe Gwarube namhlanje. Ake siyicoshe bukhoma-ke inkulumo yakhe.
Pass rate of last year of 85.4% to 88.4% in 2024. And the Northwest comes in at number 4 and has obtained 87.5% of their pass rate. Next is the Western Cape, which comes in at 86.6%, an increase of 5% from the last year. The following 3 provinces have all received a rounded off pass rate of 85%. However, they are ranked according to the highest raw percentage points achieved. Limpopo comes at number 6, which is a 5% increase, ceiling at 85.1%. Mpumalanga comes in at number 7, an increase of 8%, taking them to 84.9%. The Eastern Cape comes in at 8 with an increase of 3.6%, taking them to 84.98%. The MEC did say that 85% is possible, and indeed, MEC, 85% is possible. The Northern Cape is coming at number 9 with 84.2%. But I must add, it's also important to note that the Northern Cape is the most improved province. It has surged by 8.3% from last year.